Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing a quick 30-minute meal for lunch or dinner. I'm making a salmon salad. You guys know I love salmon. I make it all the time. The only thing I don't like is the lingering food smell, so thank you to Dyson for sponsoring today's video. They sent me the Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool Formaldehyde. It matches perfectly with my decor. It's multifunctional, it purifies the air plus cools you. This also works as a heater, so it's nice for the colder months. I just keep mine on auto. This way it's automatically sensing, capturing, and trapping pollutants. The machine traps pollutants inside, removing them from the air you breathe. So what goes inside stays inside. Visit Dyson.com to learn more about the Dyson Purifier Hot Plus Cool Formaldehyde. I unwrapped the salmon and now I'm just collecting my seasonings. Then I'm going to pat it dry with some paper towels and cut it into quarters. I only use 2 for this recipe because it's just for me. My kids won't eat it in a salad with dressing. They prefer it on its own. For seasonings, I'm using coconut liquid aminos, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ground mustard, and ground ginger. I'm just eyeballing it. I never really use measurements when I'm cooking.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do.
You just rub that together with your hands so it's nicely coated, and it should look something like this at the end. I set that aside so I can immediately wash my cutting board with a disinfecting dish soap and clean this area of the counter because this is where I'm going to prepare my salad next.
I can
My pan is over medium heat. I'm frying with olive oil, but it's also really good with some butter.
Stronger than I ever been. You blow my mind.
On auto mode, whenever I start cooking, the purifier will automatically sense the gases and odors released into the air and circulate purified air throughout the kitchen, so I don't have to worry about remembering to turn it on.
But I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
For my salad, I'm using butter lettuce mix for the base. I wanted regular butter lettuce, but it wasn't available at my grocery store, so I got this. Also red onion, feta, panko breadcrumbs, and a little bit of sugar. For the dressing, I used olive oil, whole grain mustard, and red wine vinegar. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description because this is not my recipe. I found it on Pinterest.
To laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
While I'm waiting for the salmon to cool down, I'm going to tidy up the kitchen. I like to eat mine cold, but it's just as good when the salmon is warm.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to
Cleaning up after this recipe is really simple. The hard part is getting rid of the lingering smells, especially when you're cooking fish. That's one thing that I love about this Dyson air purifier. It has an activated carbon filter that removes odors.
coming to get you.
I shred the salmon for my salad. You can leave it whole, it's up to you. I made enough for today and tomorrow. I hope you guys liked this quick meal idea. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. Thank you again to Dyson for sponsoring my video. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all in my next video.